Hi, I just bought a Dig and Duct. It arrived yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to open it. I got this for like $139 from Amazon. It used to be like $168 or something, and it's on sale for $139. So I thought it was a pretty good deal, and so I went and got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and do an unbox. So it comes with instruction and a cable. Is a micro USB, the old type USB charger. This one has been around for a long time, so doesn't have the latest update, so it's still using the old micro USB. Now I saw a video from what's it called? The guy's title, Toy something, and that I went and ordered and forgot that this screen is not perfect screen, meaning that if you look at this angle, the color will change. But I don't know how bad that will bother me, so not sure. I hope this one is in a better condition than the one I got before called Bubble, because that one, it really bothered me. The screen, the way it looked, it really bothered me. This one is very nice, the design and everything, and it's pretty big. Hey, my cat. So let's see if we could turn it on without no power plug in yet. So this is just a fake plastic. It doesn't have a hole. The only hole is right here and down here. That's the only hole, and then there's the micro USB and the voice control is right there. They didn't cover the hole, so you could see the wood and the screw. And then there's the sticker and the thickness of the thing. And there is the information. Alright, so let's go ahead and power this on. I'm not sure this thing will power on at all. Like I said, this system is being out for a long. Oh, they power up. That's good. I'm surprised they power up, because this thing's been out for a while, and I'm surprised that it power up. Color. See, you could see kind of see that 3D type of looking, and the yellow kind of faded out. So this is not a perfect screen. The top is good. The bottom is good. The right side is not bad. It's just not the right side, the left side. The right side here is the one that is not good. Let's measure this, see how big this screen is. The sound is pretty. I think the sound is max already. But I think the screen is like 3.5 inches, if I remember correctly. Let's put it against here so we could do a better job me recording it without holding it sideways. But let's measure the screen. The visual screen is probably about 4 inches. And there's a black plastic in there, so it's not. I assume you could put a 5-inch screen here. I'm getting a 5-inch screen, but it's made for Raspberry Pi, so I don't know if it will work on this system. Because I was thinking that I wanted to see if I could replace the screen. So if you look directly at it, it's not bad. It's just when you turn sideways, and if you record it like this, you could tell the screen is not that great. And so I hope in the future, when they talking about making Ninja Turtle, I hope they do fix this problem, because especially with a vertical screen, because when they go with the non-IPS screen, you're gonna have one angle is not good. I think they call this TC something screen, TF, I forgot what's the terminology, but those screen only good in 1, 2, 3 vision, and the fourth is always going to be bad. And if they take that kind of screen and tilt it vertically, you're going to have issue where one angle is not going to be good. And they should know that before they even put it in. But IPS screen is better, but it's cost more. So apparently they didn't go that route. So that's why this one is not as, even though the design is very pretty, but it's not something where people will actually go and grab it because of that reason. Now, I noticed this is not as bright. It's kind of like not a real solid yellow, kind of faded out yellow. Actually look exactly the way you are seeing it right now. When I zoom in the brightness, yeah, that's the color I'm actually seeing. It's not that yellow, kind of like, it's not as solid yellow as this color. It's hard to put both of them in, but yeah, that's the only thing I'm complaining about is that process. I'm gonna have it running the whole day. Make sure everything's running. Every time you buy something, you want to let it run at least of 24 hour to 48 hour, just to make sure the system is up and going. So insert a coin, insert second player. Okay, player 1. It's on the maximum speaker, so it's control is pretty good. I thought he was gonna get me. Got me this time. Oh crap. What am I doing? I'm playing bad this time. I'm pushing the stupid wrong button. I'm pushing the I'm pushing this player 1, player 2 volcano button instead of this button. Oh well. So let's see. How do you get to the... All right. Oops, sorry. Cat eating. Alright, I'm going to stop here, but it's a pretty cool game. I have the smaller version before called My Arcade. This is Numskull, and I like the fact that it's real small and I could sit there and play it. But the this one is nice, but it's very long. But the My Arcade one, the problem with that one is they fixed the Galaga one, so the glitching sound and the lacking issue was fixed. But even after a year later, they did not fix the My Arcade Dig and Dub, so I just kind of didn't bother to buy any more My Arcade cabinet until Street Fighter that they came out. But that also was not as great. But anyway, go back to the Numskull. This one is nice and pretty. It's just that the problem I have with this is the screen. The screen has some issue with it. But if you could live with that and you play on this direction, it's okay. But if you play directly at it, it's not that great because sometimes you tilt a little bit of your head, and right away you'll see the color changes already. So like for example, if I tilt a little bit of my head like that, you see the color already being changing. So that's one thing. It's not too bad. It's not too bad compared to the other one, because this one doesn't have a lot of color to it, so not as bad. And the speaker is on the very top. There's one big speaker right here that my thumb is going through right there, and there's no color. The light's not coming out from the top like the other one, which I think the Galaga one, they have some light coming through so you can see the light. So this one don't have that issue with the light is not coming through, so that's good. All right, that's pretty much my review. I'm not gonna go too detailed into it, but that's it. There's nothing here to at the bottom. There's nothing at the door. There's nothing you could open. Yeah, it doesn't come with any kind of special coin or anything. The hole is solid. It would be nice if they have, you could open the door so you could put some, because there's a lot of empty space here. So you open the door and put something in here, like the wire and stuff, the cable that come with it. And let's see how long this cable is. Well, this cable for sure is 6 foot. This cable is 6 foot long, so that's good. So you could plug it in and charge it. I forgot how you get to the main screen. I think you'll have to like turn it off and turn it back on. Let's see. Let me turn it off. And then turn it on. The team molding is good. Don't have any issue. The graphic is good. Don't have any issues. Not like Arcade 1-Up, where you will actually find some problem with it, like all the time, most of the time. Yeah, that's one thing bad about Arcade 1-Up, but it seemed like they're going back to the same stupid problem like they had before. I guess maybe they're cutting costs because Arcade 1-Up still have this issue, even though with a newer cabinet that's coming out, they have a screen issue. Why is this thing not powering up again? Maybe I have to hold it. There you go. So you have to hold it for it to turn on. You can't just flick it. You can flick it in the back. So this is Arcade ROM. That's the reason it does that. So those are people who never had arcade might say, is the system messed up? It's normal. It does that all the time with the arcade game. I don't know how you get to. I'm lazy to look at the menu, but I guess you press one of the buttons. You could go into the setting. I guess I'll look at the menu later on. Alright, that's pretty much my review. And I'm not going into detail because I have things to do today. It's weekend, need to spend some time with my family. But yeah, I'm trying to look at the instruction. It's a very colorful instruction. I'm kind of impressed by it. So it's kind of nice that they gave you a very colorful instruction, but doesn't say how to get to the main menu. You just have a whole bunch of repeated different language. I don't think it have any setup. It doesn't have any special setup, I don't think. Yeah, I don't see any special setting that you could go into. It's just repeating. Yeah, it's just repeating menu in the back. All right, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else. It's just another white piece of paper in the back for the warranty stuff for different languages. There's the top got different language flag. So I guess I have to look for the United States one. Where's the United States? There's no United States flag. All right. Yeah, there's no United States flag on this menu. But I guess I have to read this one, the British. I don't know what flag is the British. Sorry. I'm not good at other people's country flag. All right. Thank you for watching. Later.